sweet garlic chili thighs. It's a perfect meal. You can make this recipe in your pan, in your pot, under 30 minutes.
Mair born hungry is delicious.
My name is Mair, you're watching Mair One Hungry. Let's make delicious sweet garlic chili chicken thighs. These are boneless chicken thighs. This is 1.5 pound, easy, budget friendly meal. Everyone can make this recipe at home. If you don't have air fryer, if you don't have oven, you just have a stove, you have a pot or a pan, you can make this recipe. So we have 6 beautiful boneless chicken thighs. So here you go, let's add this. Rinse these thighs with the fresh water. Thighs are rinsed, let's add them back into marinade bowl. For the sweet garlic chili thighs, use fresh garlic. Take blender juicer, handful of garlic or at least 10 to 12 fresh cloves of garlic, baking cup of the olive oil. Use extra virgin olive oil, it's gonna be much better. Let's blend this. So once you blend it, you can definitely chop the garlic, but I would strongly suggest blend it, it's more finer version of it. So add all of this right here in the chicken thighs. 1 tablespoon of the crushed red chili. It's gonna be a sweet chili, okay? Brown sugar. We'll take 2 tablespoons of the brown sugar. It's gonna bring the sweet touch to it. Half tablespoon of the black pepper. Half tablespoon of the cumin powder. Half tablespoon of the salt. Apple cider vinegar. Use organic, it's much better. Take 1, 2, and 3. We will use soy sauce. This is all the marinade for this delicious sweet garlic chili chicken thighs. 1, 2, and 3. Orange food color. It's gonna make your dish vibrant. So take at least, I'm just giving you a rough idea, we'll just eyeball it. 1/4 tablespoon of the orange food color. It goes, it's edible, it's nice, it's fine, it's okay, you can add it. But the trick is just massage everything up. This is it. This is all the marinade. Give it a good mix. After mixing it for 2 minutes, look at this delicious chicken thigh. This is sweet garlic chili thighs. Here it is. This is how it's gonna look. Delicious sweet garlic chili thighs are completely marinated. Have your pot or a pan. Use non-stick pan, it's much better, it's going to make your life easy. And add all of this right here. Spread your chicken thighs so they can cook one side first. So spread them, in the pan. Once you add it, make sure you're spreading them. Cooking on a flat surface, kind of. Alright, all beautiful thighs are flat in our pot. This is non-stick. This is on medium flame, not super hot flame. Use medium flame. If you want to check the degree, put it at 350 degree. Cook it for 6 minutes, just like this. We are not moving the spoon. After 6 minutes, we will do a flip. I'm using some steamed broccoli. Just put this whole bag in microwave for 4 minutes. You're gonna have a steamed broccoli with that, and you'll be serving these delicious sweet chili garlic thighs on top of the white rice. Alright, it's been 6 minutes. Here you go. Let's do a flip. You need the crust. Look at this. Char and the crust in a pan and a pot combo. This is what we want. Beautiful. Alright, here we have 6 more minutes. By 7:35, our delicious thighs will be ready. (7:35) in 12 minutes, our delicious thighs, sweet garlic chili thighs, are 100% ready. They are charred from both sides, and here you go. Add it right here. Look at here. Rice, I made the rice earlier, so we all know how to make rice in a rice cooker, right? Just boiled white rice, steamed broccoli, and the chili thighs, sweet chili thighs. Just give them a slight cut. Look at this. This is what I'm talking about. And once you cut it, land it right here. Let's grab another one. Easy, simple, under 30 minutes you can make this whole meal. If you don't want to eat rice, don't do it. Have just some steamed, broccoli. That's it. And let's grab another one. And here you go. Final touches, have some sesame seed. And take it, sprinkle it on top. And some of the green onions. Here you go. This is the sweet garlic chili thighs you can make under 12 minutes. Pan fried. Follow the same recipe. I shared this. This is so delicious. You're gonna love it. Let's do a taste test. Do a taste test of the delicious sweet garlic chili chicken thighs on top of steamed rice and steamed broccoli. This is so good. I'm more focused on the chicken, so here you go. Let's do a bare hand test, and this is the first bite. Oh my god, yum. This is the sweet char on it. Look at the colors it's on the rice. With the steamed broccoli, here you go. Everything is awesome about this recipe. Easy to make, high protein, delicious recipe. Trust me, it's good. Let me grab this whole. Look at this. We have 3 more pieces to go. Make this recipe very easy, home ingredients. There's nothing fancy about it. You get the best flavors ever. Home cooked food is the way to go. And this is how you do delicious sweet garlic chili thighs. Subscribe the channel, like the video. I'll see you on the next one. It's very easy meal. You saw me, hit the bell icon so you know when I post a video.
Mair born hungry is delicious. Delicious. Delicious.